Hello and welcome to Star Inside News. Today we are going to share Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck back on the PDA while honeymooning in Milan. Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck showed their love for each other as they celebrated their honeymoon in Milan. The newlyweds were seen strolling along the streets and even stopping to kiss. The media outlet TMZ published the footage of them kissing before their bodyguards. Jen seemed like a fashionista in the white trouser and crop top, which showed off her amazing abs. Jen paired the outfit with an oversized top hat. In the meantime, Ben wore jeans and a blue button-down. The incident happened following Ben and Jennifer visited the store for home and kitchen items, Desio Imagine Casa, in Menagio, where they browsed their shelves and had a photo with staff members. Desio posted the picture on Instagram and wrote the caption in Italian, "Unexpected customer." J-Lo looked stunned in a sundress that was off the shoulder yellow and sunglasses, while Ben was casual with jeans and a light brown button-down shirt. The couple recently had a wedding reception by having a huge wedding ceremony in Georgia, and the couple is enjoying their time in Italy. The two were recently seen eating dinner in the Grand Hotel Tremezzo, and DailyMail.com posted a video showing a lively exchange during which Ben was animated, speaking quickly and flexing his hands. The photos also shows him picking open a cell phone and displayed what appears to be wedding photos in the phone screen. Lopez, 53, looked gorgeous, wearing a dress in white, their hair pulled up in casual bun. And Ben, 50, who is model, was dressed in slacks with a blue shirt. Photographers also took photos of the couple. On the speedboat, they were seen as being alone on the vessel with no assistant from the captain and the co-captain. The couple legally said "I do" in Las Vegas in July. However, the Italy wedding photos are coming just a few days after their bigger Georgia wedding ceremony. Vogue had just revealed new information regarding the wedding, reporting J-Lo was wearing Ralph Lauren couture for the event and that famous personal trainer Jay Shetty officiated the 45-minute ceremony that was held in a backyard garden that overlooked the North Newport River. The couple got married "I do" under the metal frame of a church that was adorned with delphiniums before walking through an aisle of arches decorated with the same floral design from Genevieve Peralta floral design, as well as tulip and twigs. The guests, also wearing white for the occasion, were invited to a reception in the house as well as dinner at the barn served by the chef Bruce Moffat and crew catering. Following dinner, guests were treated to desserts with minati and Russian custom cakes, as well as an evening of dance music hosted by DJ Dub. The event was set to include a firework show too. If you like the video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.
I should fuck her